Hey there, and welcome back to Golf Karting TV. My name is Matt. Thrilled to have you back here today. We've got an awesome cart to take a look at today, something special, so let's jump right in. Hey, so welcome in. We are here today with Marcus from out in Southern California. He's got a sweet Mercedes golf cart we're going to take a look at. So start with the body. Tell me what was there before and what you've done to it exactly yourself.
Well, actually, the body was a Mercedes-Benz Maybach, but it was in pretty bad shape. And I just kind of took the cart all the way down to the frame. Being in Southern California, trying to find a painter is absolutely ludicrous. You just can't find guys, you know. And if you do, oh yeah, I can do it, and it'll be done, you know, in a year and a half. So what I decided to do was, I says, I'm going to wrap it. So I did a wrap job on it, and I sent it out to one of the best guys around. We did something a little bit different, and it's a candy apple raspberry metallic blue. It really surprisingly came out really, really good.
Gotcha.
So we ran the airbag system, or the air, because they're actually air shocks. We ran it to its own battery. Now that battery will hold a charge for as long as I need it. It's not a big deal. And then so it just entitles me to lay the cart down really low.
Yeah, show me a little bit on the dash, and
yeah,
you're kind of like a storage unit in there.
Sure. The dashboard is a dashboard that has a little media center that I put in there for some music for her, 4 kicker speakers, nothing real big, no amps, don't need them. The head unit kind of has its own little implemented amp system in it. So it's plenty.
Yeah.
And a lot of the guys are doing that boat decking floor.
Yeah, fantastic.
So I stayed with that. I liked it.
Yeah,
ran it all the
color. Brings all the color together nicely.
Brings it together. The upholstery, we redid the upholstery. I sent it out to a guy over here. Real nice guy. He did it for me real quick.
Yep, that's great too. It matches everything too.
Yeah, it's a diamond, and it matched. We have everything there, and it's got the basic laybacks. You can put stuff back there. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
It's got a 4-panel switch for her. Pretty simple. We can lay it. We can lay it all the way down.
Are those airbags on each wheel? Is that what the 4 switches are?
Yeah, one for each wheel. And I'll tell you, the compressor. Let me pop this for you because you don't see them too much, I don't think. We've got the Como Energy in there, real nice, simple, small, high energy. 440 compressor, if you can see that. It's a V air compressor, 2-gallon tank, tucked over there in the corner. Some nice DC converter upgrades that we did. Might as well do them.
Yep. Did you have to tuck in the wheels at all to get it to fit under the body, or was the body fit outside around?
That's a great question. And they tuck just perfect.
Yeah.
They tuck just perfect.
Awesome. Well, Marcus, very cool cart. Really do appreciate you taking the time and showing me what you got here. I think you've done a great job.
Well, I appreciate you guys, man. I really do. The whole team.
Awesome. That is so cool. I have never seen, I'll be honest, I've never seen that Mercedes body like that. So when we saw that, had to get him on the show. So that was fantastic. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, share, get the stuff out there, tell the world what's going on with the Golf Karting TV, and we'll see you back here next Thursday at noon.